Hey everyone, so a recap. So as you can see, the pool's kind of 100% now, really. We're gonna do a little quick recap. So what I've done here is from day one when we got to the pool, this whole area was flooded, so the pool was brown, there was water everywhere. Day one, we scooped as much of the debris out of the bottom of the pool as we could. We couldn't see the bottom of the pool, so we really didn't know what we're working with at that stage. Day two, we came back, we scooped again and changed the filter. A key part of this cleanup has been changing that filter over regularly. Day three, we came back. By that stage, everything had settled to the bottom, or the flock that we'd added in the chemicals. It settled to the bottom, we were able to see the bottom, but it was still murky. So we vacuumed all that debris out to waste, tried to get it out of the pool, didn't put it back through the filter, as it would just clog the filter. And today, day four, we're back. We've given it a final vacuum. As you can see, it's spotless. We did vacuum through the filter, so anything else now is in that filter. We're gonna give it a quick clean. We've added chemicals along the way. We've tried to keep it really simple while we're doing this process. So mainly chlorine, acid, some clarifiers and some flock. That's kind of it. We'll come back next week, add some salt and some final chemicals to get it right up Mickey Mouse, and then hand it back over to the customers.